It's pretty just the way Binance work. Okay, so withdrawing your cash from your KuCoin through their P2P to your local bank account is quite easy. So what you need to do is to click on wallet. All right, and click on main wallet. Okay, what I want to withdraw has to be in the main wallet. All right, so click on overview, click on buy crypto, click on sell. Okay, so now when you get to this interface, you have to scroll down to see to find the range of what you want to set, minimum ranges. All right, so it's not like Binance that you can actually search on KuCoin. You actually need to scroll all the way down to find it. Okay, so keep scrolling. Okay, I think I found something here. Let me tap on this particular one here. Let me tap on the range. Okay, that's the range. Click on sell crypto, enter my pin. So it loads up. So order has been automatically placed. So I'll be waiting for this person to send payment to my bank account before I can make sure, just like the previous video I uploaded about how to run P2P. Okay, I show you guys how to do the buying. Now this is the selling aspect of it, how to actually sell to your bank account before you split, before you kind of send to the person you are selling for. Upon checking on my bank app, I figured that this person has paid, and now when this person paid, they have to, they'll click and the button will just be looking like that green, expecting you to release the crypto to them. All right, so you have to make sure you cross-check your bank app to make sure that you have actually received the payment. Okay, if possible, double check. All right, so now that I've checked all that, now I need to click on release crypto. I have received payment, then click confirm. Now when I click confirm, I need to tap on enter my passcode, so the crypto will actually be released to them that way. So now I've successfully sold 30 USDT to someone on KuCoin. So if you're actually enjoying my videos, please do well to always like and subscribe. See you in my next video. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.